Hello everyone, I'm recording this video to show you how you can organize your rooms in Pollination Rhino model. As you start modeling and you have different levels, you probably want to group them each level, and that's what most of energy simulation software provide. Right now UI is more flexible, so we don't have really concept of level. They can be every room, can be part of a level or not. It's optional, and that's under this story column here, right? So there are three different ways of doing this. First one is you can manage them with layers. So basically you can select the objects and put them under Rhino layers. So in this model you can see the first basement is under one layer, the other one, first floor, is under another layer. So that's great. You can always turn them on and off so you can see them. Then if you want to do it in the Rhino manager, you can use the name. So for example, here all the rooms in the first floor are started with basement. That means you can always use this name thing to sort them, right? So if I click on it again, all the basement one comes here. The third way of doing it is, instead of naming every single room with basement or something, just select them and change the story. So right click here and then edit properties, and I'm going to set the story as, I can write basement or I can call this 00. So this is a string, it's not a number, so you can put anything that you want. So this will be 00, right? And for the rest of them, I'm going to hold down shift, right click, edit properties, and then I'm going to make this 01. So now this should be all 01. That means now I can use the story to basically sort them. So now all the 01s are on the top, or I can click here again, and now all the 00s are on the top. So again, there are three different ways of doing it: Rhino layers, names, or story itself, and then by clicking on them you can sort them. I mean, this is true for all the other things. So if you click on openings, you can see like it can sort them based on number of openings. So you can quickly sort all the rooms based on any of these properties. Thank you for watching, and let us know if you have any questions on Pollination Discourse.